Hello learners. When you meet someone for the first time, you can use the conversations in this video. Let's make friends.
Hi there. My name is David. What's your name?
Hi David, I'm Robert. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Robert. Where are you from?
I'm from India. How about you?
I'm from Argentina. What do you do for fun or in your free time?
Oh, I really enjoy drawing. How about you?
That sounds fun. I like gardening. Also, I enjoy cooking.
That's cool, so, what do you do for a living?
I work as a civil engineer. How about you?
I'm an accountant.
Interesting. Anything else you'd like to share about yourself?
Well, I also love playing guitar in my free time. How about you?
Nice. I'm into playing soccer with my friends. It was great getting to know you, Robert.
Likewise. David, if you ever want to swap some cooking or drawing tips, just let me know.
Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Hi Emma, I'm Jake. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Jake. Are you enjoying the book fair?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I've never been to one before.
Me neither. Do you like reading?
Yeah, sometimes. What about you?
I love it. Mysteries and adventures are my favorite. What kind of books do you like?
I don't know. I haven't read a lot. Maybe I'll find something interesting here.
Definitely. There are so many options. Have you found any books you want to check out?
Not yet. I'm still looking around. Do you have any recommendations?
How about trying a funny picture book? They can be really entertaining.
Sounds fun. I'll give it a try. Thanks, Emma.
No problem, Jake. Let me know if you find something cool. It was great meeting you.
You too, Emma. Maybe we'll find some good books together.
Hi. I'm Sarah. Are you here for something specific?
Hey Sarah, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm here to report I lost my wallet.
Oh no. That's unfortunate. I hope it turns up. This is my first time here. What about you?
Yeah, it's my first time too. I've never had to do this before.
Well, I hope it gets sorted out quickly for you. Do you live around here?
Yeah, just a few blocks away. How about you?
I'm from the next town over. Anyway, what happened to your wallet?
I think I left it at the grocery store. It had my ID and credit cards.
That's stressful. Did you check with the store?
Yeah, but they haven't found anything yet. I thought reporting it here might help.
Makes sense. Hope they find it soon. Do you often misplace things?
Not really. It's the first time I've lost something this important.
Well, let's hope for the best. If you need any help, feel free to ask. Nice meeting you.
You too, Sarah. Thanks for the support.